Appreciate you tuning in. Behind me, a 69 Black Jade Super Cobra Jet. This car has been a recipient of a very detailed rotisserie restoration. Great history, really cool parts. Come along as we give you the grand tour in and around. We're gonna wake her up. Unfortunately, the weather's a little bit not on our side today, but maybe we go for a drive. Maybe we just let it chop here in the showroom. The guy who restored this car is the kind of guy you wanna own a car after. We have hundreds of pictures of this car before, during, and after. It was taken down to bare metal everywhere. Has great gaps, great paint. All of our bright work and chrome is new and looking like $1 million bucks. I'm gonna pop this hood for you. And of course, being a true born R code, we got this nice shaker. And this was also the kind of fella who had a thing for NOS parts. A lot of the parts that you see under the hood are NOS, still in boxes, have pictures, really neat stuff. Correct carburetor, correct Super Cobra Jet heads, the original block, original trans. This is super original. Even going to the length of sending all these original parts out and having them rebuilt. And I'm talking about your starter, I'm talking about your water pump, fuel pump, distributor. Really correct car. And how many 428s do you see that still have the smog equipment on it? Not only that, we have the Super Cobra Jet oil cooler. It's a super high dollar part to try to track down. That one looks to be in great shape. Got the Autolite battery topper looking all nice. And again, we have no shortage of the right stickers, paint markings, hose clamps, cleaners, covers, and more. And one thing too to note as well, this has VIN stampings on both fender aprons. We'll show you this closing up. Seals up great. Come down the side of this car, gorgeous fitment. Have a beautiful set of F70 Goodyear raised white letter tires on some nice 14-inch mags. Have great gaps, beautiful glass. Moldings all sit tight around this window. Our VIN on top of that dash pad still in great shape. Gorgeous gaps. As a little bit of light hits this color, it really brightens up. And in the shade or the shadow, it really looks like black. Black Jade's one of my favorite colors. Great fitment out here. Again, new tail lamps, new chrome, new gas fill cap, all markers and indicators, badging. Everything really looks brand new. The rear glass, before I pop this trunk, I don't see a scratch. It looks really excellent. It's a Car-Lite pane of the glass. Everything we want. Okay, out back here, very beautifully detailed trunk. Look at the trunk gutter. No excuses anywhere in here. Don't have the spare in it right now. Wanted to show you guys its condition. I have the spare in the jack sitting on the floor over here. But it's very clean, has all the right stuff. You see it's got a brand new tank. And wait till we see underneath this car, the attention to detail really matches. Seals up good. Laser straight. Really excellent paint, gaps are on point, all the chrome on our handles, window moldings, badging, antenna, I mean, everything looks new. Woohoo! We got the original door tag, door edges look great, door card looks brand new. Love the wood grain these Mach 1s get. Our high back buckets freshly recovered and in great shape. Real high quality covers on here. Got our rim blow wood grain wheel looking like $1 million bucks. Factory tack car, pretty cool. We're showing 87,000 on the clock. Those are believed to be the original miles. Brilliant luster in all the gauges and the lenses. And all our knobs and pulls, everything we see down here looks pretty awesome too. This C6 automatic is the original born with transmission, has the VIN stamped on it. And we have one upgrade in here, bringing a little bit of modern sound. We have a custom auto sound radio that fits in the factory location and could be put back to stock with no trace. Over here we have our clock, and unlike most of them, that one is working good. Headliner is what you'd expect, all brand new stuff. Rear mirror looks great, visors look good, nice and tight in the sail panels. This is a fold down seat car. The back of that seat looks really nice. And these inner cards aren't all beat up. They got a nice fresh finish on them. And all of our interior lights are working as they should. Seat belts for all passengers, the deluxe belts. Before we go, I have a little bit to share with you. One, I have a hard drive here with about 500 pictures of this car before, during, and after. Pictures of all the part numbers. This thing is silly correct. Even the engine rebuild was silly correct, the amount of original parts he went and tracked down. If you want to find close-ups of things like the Marty report, the underbody, you can do so. It's on our website. You can view the full listing at LaFontaineClassicCars.com. We put that link right in the description of this here YouTube video. A couple of quick highlights for you. California car, 428 Super Cobra Jet car, 430 Traction-Lok right out of the box, factory tack. It's a bad son of a gun. And of course, finished originally in Black Jade over the black interior the way we see it today. Really nice job. You can call us at any time in case you want to know at 248-714-2110, or you can email us. That's inquiry at LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Thank you guys. My name is Mackenzie with LaFontaine Classics, and we'll see you in the next clip. Like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more of this. Bye.